Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Textjoin in Excel with space. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have an address in different column. So this address I'm going to join in one cell. So let's start. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and use the Textjoin function. Simply select the Textjoin and use the tab and here the first use the delimiter. So I use here the delimiter in double quote. Then if you want the space between the every word of this address, you just use here the space. So I use here the space and after that I use again the double quote and comma. After that ignore empty. In ignore empty you can select the true for ignore empty cell. False include empty cell. So here I select the first ignore empty cell true. Okay, then use the comma, then select the all text those you want to join. So I select here the all the text with the drag with the mouse and bracket closed and enter. Here you can see the all text join here with space. Okay, and here if I remove the Mumbai city, suppose I remove it the Mumbai, you can see all the text is joined the perfect space and this empty cell is ignored when this text is joined. Okay, because I used here the true. True is a ignore empty cell. Therefore, this empty cell is ignored. Okay. Suppose here I used false. Okay. Then I enter. Now you can see here the double space showing after the state. Double space because it's include the empty cell space also. Okay. So I just copy paste here the Mumbai and see here now the all word join with space. Okay, so simply drag with the mouse below the cell and here you can see the formula is pasted below also. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.